Isn't this park lovely? Holy smokes! Hey! Cool! Ooh! Hi! Ava! Check out how high I am! You get down here this very minute! Nope! She never listens. Oh, Ava! Mr. Bananas! I'm coming! Ouch! I got a splinter! This is why we don't climb trees. But what kind of mom would I be without a few— Thanks! See ya! Hey, Ava! Talk about a beautiful day, huh? And I got everything on my to-do list done. A+ for me. And it ain't all that bad. On second thought, I knew paper was a bad idea. My oranges! Come back here! Slow down! Ugh. Finally! I think that's the last of them. These arms are pretty handy. So why not build yourself an extra pair? Tuck the hood over it all. And tie the arms together. Pretty handy, right? These groceries are staying put. Genius! To think I used to carry a bag. Huh? Ooh, been there, done that. Hair's good, but the breath could use some work. Come on. I know there's some left in there. Gah, come out! Almost there. Ugh. Ugh. Yes! It's happening! Huh? Ugh, this is just a waste of time. New toothpaste, who dis? The perfect glob. Feeling minty fresh already. Ka-choo! All clean. Crisis averted. How am I doing on time? Morning time. Just have to brush and I'm ready to go. And it looks like a fresh tube. It's definitely gonna be a good day. Think that's enough? It's almost hypnotizing. Who knew there was that much in here? Woohoo! It's a mint explosion! Annie? What is going on in here? Did the toothpaste tube throw up in here? Ugh, just give me that. This is not how you brush your teeth. Forget about the boring brush and use your special tray instead. See? I'll show you how to use it. And you still get plenty of toothpaste. Only one thing left to do. In my mouth? How easy is that? Going okay? Look, Mom! No hands! Whoa! Think my hair can curl like that? Only one way to find out for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aww! Still super straight! I'll just do all the strands at once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. Okay. I'll just use an elastic to hold it. This has just gotta work. And braids should do it too. These better hold on really tight. Not so cute, but whatever. Oh, I'll never have gorgeous magazine hair.
Why the tears, Annie?
I want to be pretty like her.
Curling's never been my forte, but I think I can do something here. But first, we have to smooth things out. Then, first, spray a strand with water. Then use the handle of the brush like a curler. Go all the way to the top. Oh, hello, curls.
Wow!
Who needs a hot curling iron? And no heat damage either.
Thanks, Dad!
Glad I figured that one out. What a relief.
Still not perfect. Much better. All I have left are the floors. What? That's a whole lot of hair! Oh, so disgusting! I'm gonna be sick. This new dressing is tasty. Ugh! How did all this get in here? I'm not hungry anymore. Hold the phone. This just can't be! How can there be possibly more hair? It's like I'm living with a shedding beast. Will this ever end? It's coming from up here. Annie's room? I am so getting to the bottom of this. This hair drama is about to end. Annie? What? Say it isn't so! It's my Annie, the never-ending shedding machine. Annie! You're leaving your hair everywhere. Ugh. See? Mom, have you completely lost it? No, you are! Your hair, that is. It just gets stuck on the brush. How am I supposed to get it out? You know, I think I can come up with something. Is that a comb over there? Just use it to collect the hair. It comes right out, see, honey? Wow, I can't believe that worked. Aren't you forgetting something? This just changes everything. That's why they call me Supermom. That's about enough. Be right back. Whoa! Red lipstick? How does it look on me? I feel so grown up. Fruit? Mom, we match! Oh, that makes me so happy. I love when I dream about ice cream. I could have stayed to sleep forever. And I almost did! How did I sleep in this late? I gotta get ready for school! Almost there! Got it! I suppose I can't wear my PJs. Will this do? That's a definite yes! But how about this hair? Do I have any scrunchies around here? No, not that. Hey, I can use that thing there. Come on! Gimme! Whoa! Oh, I stretched it all out! Now what do I do? Oh, I don't wanna know. Oh, man. Maybe I can get this thing to work. But I just can't get it tight enough. Oh, this is hopeless. Annie? This thing is totally useless, Mom! Let me show you a little trick. You just need a little bit of heat. Watch. A little heat will shrink it right back down. See? It's totally changing. That should make it elastic again. See? As stretchy as can be. Here. Wow, thanks. I think I can manage this now. Hello, ponytail. Now I can finally head out to school. Annie, your backpack. Bye.